Okay, so I'm actually testing something new-ish. It's technically a new way to record. Yeah, it's technically a new way to record. I'm technically casting right now, but I'm casting in a different method than I normally would. If you guys are interested, let me know. Comment section below, and I will be happy to actually try my best to explain it because, okay, so I'll give you guys the full backstory. This all started when I updated to v79. Okay, not the first v79. When I updated to v79 1033 specifically, the 1029 I believe it was, worked perfectly, but for some reason the casting website that I used just doesn't work right now. I assume it will be fixed in the future, and I'll probably go back to using that in the future. But for now, apparently, I'm going to be I'm going to try to use this new method. Hopefully, it works out. And basically, what I'm showing you guys right now is actually version 81, in the PTC, public test channel is what it stands for. And yeah, that's a lot going on, but I'll give you guys the gist, kind of, the update, the highlight, the overview. Navigator update with v71. Apparently, you'll be able to switch back and forth in the advanced settings, which is interesting because I actually haven't even got Navigator yet. Let me know comment section below if you guys have got Navigator. I'm on v79 and I have not got Navigator. AI logic is going to be improved. Pass-through is going to be improved. It says new arena. Okay. Or is that new area? No. Let's see. Horizon Arena closer to the action. Oh, okay. And then, as far as I know, environments are going to be a bit different as well. For those of you guys that don't know, environments refer to like this whole area I have here. Allegedly, we're going to be able to walk around and whatnot as well, instead of just teleporting from point A to point B, which will be pretty cool, I think. I honestly think that it's going to be pretty cool. But basically, this is sort of, I guess it turned into a sort of overview of v81, but I don't currently have v81. I just went over that with you guys. Really, I'm just testing out a new method of casting, and I want to let you guys know that if you're used to going to the Oculus casting website and it's not working right for you, don't worry, it's not working right for me at all either, since the update to v79, again, this specific update is what messed it up for me. So, yeah, there is that. Hopefully it gets fixed in the future, because that way is way simpler than the way I'm doing it right now. And yeah, that's really all I have to say, guys. I'm going to end it off here. Let me know comment section below if everything worked right for you guys. I do understand that not all of you guys are per se content creators, so casting might not even be an issue for you guys. But with that said, you don't gotta be a content creator to cast, right? Because, like, say you want to see what your friends are doing at the time or whatnot. That's a thing, right? So my exact issue was that when I would cast to the casting website, it would automatically refresh itself, but in like a way worse bitrate. So yeah. And I'm not going to upload a video with super bad bitrate if I can help it. And maybe I did back in the day because I didn't know any better, but now I do. But I digress. I'm going to end it off here. Let me know your thoughts, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.